Thanks everyone for clicking on this link. I'd like to introduce you to the Y-Wing helmet. This is the general kit, and let me start with these greeblies. These are all resin cast parts. All of these I designed in a program called Tinkercad. They're all solid resin cast pieces. The detail on each of these things is really phenomenal. So there's a whole set of these details. Here is your helmet casting. This is the resin cast version. Very easy cleanup, extremely strong, and very lightweight. And you have your choice of an orange visor or a pink visor. So let me take a moment to show you how these guys all fit onto the helmet. Here's this little 1970s printer port looking greebly. Fits right into this slot. Right inside there in the middle. This disc slides in behind this ear hole. You can see it in there. That greebly sits on top of the disc. Separate pieces. This indented pocket is where this little piston shape lives. There's also some alternate pieces. So instead of that arrangement, you've got this finny thing that goes on there on some of the helmets, so I'm including that in the kit. And another example is this little circuit tab that goes in that same hole. Instead of using that Yamaha piece, in some of the helmets it uses this piece. So again, this kit includes all these different options. This indented area here accepts one long panel and one short panel. They fit right in there. Your microphone assembly consists of this little tab, and he resides right on the edge of that helmet, right about there. There's a little rod that comes out of that and attaches to the little mic tip. And some of the helmets have this little panel detail. I can't remember which direction this goes in, but it's something like that in this area right here. So there he is in position. Let me show you this optional decal set. This is very deluxe. These are vinyl decals, easy to apply. The reason these are vinyl is they're super high quality and they're easier to stretch over the compound curves. These two big ones, for example, go onto the right side of the helmet, and you can see that we're curving pretty rapidly here. So you want these decals to stretch. And that's what these do. So we've got multiple colors, very intricate kiss cuts going on here. Everything is die cut. Very detailed. And these markings here, I've already got them pre-distressed. Again, these are all kiss cut. These aren't white printed onto the decals. These are kiss cuts. Here's a closer look at these visors. These vacuform bucks were produced, again, on my liquid resin 3D printer. These were very carefully modeled using every available reference we could find. And then a mold was made, and then another mold was made for vacuforming these clear visors. And then they're very carefully tinted. There's a choice of a pink visor and an orange visor. The nice thing about this resin cast helmet is it's got a really nice lip here. It's got a smooth interior. It's lightweight, very strong. And there it is, guys, the 2019 Y-Wing helmet. Thanks for clicking on this link, and if you're interested in this content, make sure that you subscribe and visit the links in the description.